Good day, Doctor. I'm Poh Lok Yee, and I will present the submodule what is the hostel check-in and check-out system by using the SLT apps. So now I will try to run the system first. It will successfully go to my system, and currently this page is for page navigation only, so it will not exist in the Truly system. For the first, let us go to the student page first. This is how the main page will look like for the student check-in page, and the system will automatically detect whether the student now need to perform the check-in or to check out. So now this is for the check-in one. Currently the check-in period haven't started yet. So if they want to request for the early access, they can click this button, and they will need to fill in the date when they want to start early check-in. They will also need to provide the reason and also upload the document for the evidence, and just submit it. After submitted, the request will be recorded and the form will be reviewed by the admin. The admin can choose whether they want to approve or reject. So this is how the admin's page looks like, and it will have the 4 main functions, where the first one is to review the early request by the student, and for the next is they can review the damage report submitted by the student, and also the third one is they can set the check-in and check-out period, while for the last one they can generate the report. For the early access page, so here is the student list here, and this is the sorting that the admin can do. The admin can now review the request submitted by the student, and this is the information will shown, where they have the student information, the request details, and also the evidence with the PDF file uploaded. The admin can also add note for them why the admin want to approve or reject their request. So now we choose to approve the request. The system will automatically update and tell the student that their request is already approved. The student are able to access to the check-in system early. For the next is about the set check-in and check-out period. For this page, it will show the currently period setting. So it have an academic year, semester, check-in and check-out period. The system can choose to configure the period, or they want to update the next semester. And we can choose the academic year, semester 1, 2, 3, and they can start to change the date for when the student can start the check-in and also check out. So we'll just put the date inside, and after that you can just save the period setting, and the system will automatically update. So when the date is arrived, the system will open to the student to check in and check out. Once the early request of the student is approved by the admin, or the system is already open, so this is the main page where the student can start to scan the QR code from their room to verify the information. So you can just scan it. We just assume they already scanned and it is verified successfully, so they can proceed to the checklist. And this is how the checklist looks like. They can choose whether the bag is in good condition or in minor or major damage. So if they choose the minor or the major, they will need to describe the damage and also provide the photo for it, so because later on the admin they can review it. So now we just fill in all the things we want, and we just assume everything is okay. Then the student can submit the checklist. After submitted successfully, the time will be recorded. So this is how it looks like after the student has done their check-in flow, and the check-out flow will be also the same. Now we'll go back to the damage report page, where admin can review the damage report submitted by the student, and this is also the list here, and also have the sorting part here. They can just review. It will show the student information, the damage image, and also the damage information. So for here, admin can choose whether they want to see the bed or the table condition. Since one condition list, they might have more than one damage. So now here can click to see the photo, and this is just a sample. The admin can choose whether they want to find the student or send the maintenance request to the maintenance team. They want to choose to close the report also can. So let us assume the admin want to issue the fine. They can just click it, and they can enter the fine amount, and also they must give the reason why they want to fine the student. And later on, they can just click this button. Action will be recorded. The system will automatically let the student know. And this is how the action history look like. And after that, fine already, they can't do back the same thing. So next, if they want to send a maintenance report, they will need to write what maintenance type is it. And also they will need to choose whether the priority level is low, medium, or high. And they can give the additional notes if needed. So they can just send request, and the action also recorded successfully. Here can see by the action history. If they want to choose to send maintenance again, the system will block the action since they already done it. And later, after all is done, we need to close the report when every action is done, or they want to do action also can. For now, for this report is everything's done already. This for the table, and the admin can choose another one to continue or close the report directly also can. Everything is done, and the status here will update to the close. For the last function will be generate the report. There will be two reports can be generated. The first one is the damage report. The second one will be the early access. The report will also follow the sorting style to generate it. So just click it and you can see that the report will automatically download at our PC. That's all for the check-in and check-out management submodule. Thank you.